Interrupted with the Goopdate Library DLL blocking Google workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start our troubleshooting for Goopdate Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Goopdate Library, the Google Update, Omaha core library. It manages localized orchestration of updates for Google products, Chrome, Earth. It handles localized scheduled task creation, binary integrity verification, and the background synchronization of version manifests. Failure results in update failed, error 008004071B in the Chrome About page. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Goopdate is part of the Google package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of Google will repair missing or damaged components. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Goopdate Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Goopdate Library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Goopdate Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Goopdate Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.